Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make vanilla fudge with condensed milk. First, gather your ingredients, including one 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, 3 cups of granulated sugar, and 1/2 cup of butter. Also, measure out 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Line an 8 by 8 inch baking dish with parchment paper, leaving an overhang on the sides for easy removal. Now, combine the butter, sugar, and sweetened condensed milk in a large, heavy-bottomed saucepan. Place the saucepan over medium heat, stirring continuously with a wooden spoon or spatula. Continue to stir until the mixture comes to a boil and reaches the softball stage, which is approximately 238 degrees Fahrenheit on a candy thermometer. This usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Once the fudge mixture reaches the correct temperature, immediately remove it from the heat. Quickly stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract until it is fully incorporated. Work quickly, as the fudge will begin to set. Pour the hot fudge into your prepared 8 by 8 inch baking dish, spreading it evenly with a spatula. Let it cool completely at room temperature for at least 2 hours. After the fudge has cooled and set completely, use the parchment paper overhang to lift it out of the baking dish. Place the fudge block on a cutting board. Using a sharp knife, cut the fudge into 1-inch squares. For easy meal prep, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description, along with other great deals. Store your delicious vanilla fudge in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 2 weeks, or refrigerate for longer freshness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.